for my kids. They wanted Oreos. I lied to them and said we ran out of Oreos. I wanted to surprise them, so I hid the Oreos in the mini bread. Hope they'll notice.
And the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something.
For my 5-year-old's lunch day, I'm starting her off with a banana, which I peeled the corner of so it's a little easier at lunchtime for her. Then she's getting 2 of these peanut butter Cheerio bars. You can find the recipe for these on my Instagram in my highlights, along with a bunch of other recipes that I like to share, so make sure you're following me over on Instagram. For her fruits today, she's having some strawberries and grapes, which I know she's probably not going to eat, but she's been sharing her fruit with one of her friends there. She's getting some hummus and peppers and some pretzels, and then her trusty granola bar. I'm just closing this up and adding it to her lunch bag along with 2 ice packs. Her juice for lunch and her snack for later, Oreos and popcorn. She has some napkins and a note, her hand sanitizer and water, and that was all.
Snack for my kids.
Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers grow, you make the flowers grow, you make the stars align.
Enormous, instantaneous.
For a quick and easy snack, you have to try this. Take out a graham cracker, spread creamy peanut butter on top of the 1/2, then take out another graham cracker, spread more peanut butter on top of a 1/2 of that, melt chocolate, pour the melted chocolate on one of the graham crackers, put the other one on top to make a sandwich, freeze for about 15 minutes, and enjoy.
Easy snack for toddler.
Now you're lost in the heat of it all.
I want to be the coolest soccer mom with the best snacks this summer, so I'm showing you some super simple snack recipes to bring that will win over any crowd. First, this one is really simple and easy. It takes less than 10 minutes. Take your favorite apples, a Ziploc bag, douse them with cinnamon, make sure they're coated really well, and then the best part is the dip. You take 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 of cup brown sugar, and then 1/4 of cup sugar, and then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it all together until it's a smooth consistency, and that's it. It's so delicious but simple. It tastes like Cinnabon frosting. It is definitely a hit with everyone. Like if you want to see more.
Prep a snack for my kids with me.
Kids snack today, they are having some watermelon sticks and some apple slices, and then I cut up some cheese really small and I gave them all a few cubes of it, and my boys didn't get very much because they usually just give it to my daughter anyways, and they got a chocolate granola bar, and here's how they did.